Hey guys, good evening. How na dey, my beautiful people? Who miss me? Who miss me? I don't come back. I tell una say I wan relocate, so we are here. How na dey na my people? Today we wan chop couscous. No, this one not be couscous. I too funny, abi. This is acheke. You see it? Acheke, let's enjoy Acheke. Join me, guys. Hmm, yummy. So, guys, this is the Acheke. Acheke. If you are in this country and you don't know what Acheke is, you are missing. This food is extra mine. This food go take you to another level. E dey full belle and e contain, you fit put anything wey you want for inside, anything take chop am. This one na cassava wey dem remove starch, squeeze am, e come dry, dem come fry am the way dem dey fry garri, but dem no go fry am dry, dem go only fry am so that e go done. When e done, it's ready to be served. You dey see am? Very very delicious. Come guys, let's enjoy together. I added some tomatoes, onion, fresh pepper, fried plantain and fried fish. Then I come add salt and maggi with small groundnut oil to mix am. Dat is all you need. Then you can add cucumber, any other extra veggies you have, you can add to it. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Join me guys, let's enjoy this. Join me guys, let's enjoy this acheke together. I love acheke so much. Acheke dey sweet and na very quick and easy food to prepare. Everything fresh, veggies fresh fresh fresh. You fit add salad, add anything wey you wan add for inside, add am, then add your fried fish, you are good to go. But if you be the type wey no dey chop raw food, you cannot eat acheke because everything go be raw raw raw. Only the plantain and the fried fish na im go be the difference. Alright oo my people, thank you for watching. I love you. Bye bye.